going to be working on projects that mimic what you're going to see in the real world. And that's going to help you build a portfolio and build your resume to replicate what employers are looking for. You're also going to have assistants in a lot of different forms. So you've got your instructor that you meet with a few times a week. You've got mentors and advisors that you can meet with to get support. You've got your fellow cohorts, your students, fellow students that you can work with and ask questions. But we also have a 24/7 AI student support, a student assistance bot inside of our learning management system. So anytime that you have questions, you can ask the AI and you'll get an answer. And that helps students get past some of the learning blocks quicker, being able to have that immediate access to support and answers right away. We have dedicated industry certification exam prep. So you're going to study for the exams to help validate that you have passed the test. And you're also, again, going to learn the skills to get you through the door fully. And that's the next line there, right? More targeted skills training for employability. Also, it's not an intensive application process. If you're sitting here thinking right now, oh, this is great, I'd love to sign up, got to find time for the application. I feel that way a lot. I'm working on an application for something right now, and it's like, I got to chunk it out in time. I got to go back to it a few minutes every day. We don't have a tough application like this. And when I say tough, I mean time intensive, right? The process is you're going to talk with an admissions advisor, and they're going to help find the program that's right for you. And then there's a few minutes outside of the call and the application's done. So again, we've got a list here of all the different boot camps that you can take with us. Quick overview, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is growing so fast because the threat is growing so fast. So more and more, we've all heard about a new breach, a security breach, data leak, that type of stuff. It's happening more and more. And with the advent of AI, bad operators are using AI to launch cyber attacks. So cybersecurity is booming right now. It's a great industry. It's a great place to learn to help make the world a safer place. So this cybersecurity bootcamp is really the gateway to start a career there. Data analytics and visualization, very adjacent to cybersecurity, very important. Every business has data, but figuring out how to view that data and make actionable decisions on that data is what drives businesses. It's what makes or breaks businesses. So a very different technology program than cybersecurity, and an approach that's great for people who are analytic and creative and love taking data and making decisions based off that. The IT Technician Bootcamp. This is a great entry-level bootcamp for people just really looking to break into IT. Now, all of these programs here are entry-level. Anyone's able to take any of these programs and enter into a tech career, even if they haven't been in a tech career before. The IT Technician Bootcamp is especially helpful there because it's a very broad IT training that helps you get into IT and then decide where you want to go from there. Software engineering, if you like creating things, building things, again, analytical, and you like to make something out of nothing, that's what software engineering is. It's coding, programming. Those are some other terms for it. That was actually my background in a previous life. Really enjoy it. Love developing. And then network engineering, right? All of these computers have to talk. That's how we're talking right now. We're having this webinar. That's how everything works. So how do you build these networks? How do you secure them? Very important piece of technology. Again, those are just high-level overviews of kind of the topics. A lot more to learn as you dive in and ask and find out which of these programs is right for you. So I do recommend talking with one of the admissions advisors. Now we're going to talk about the application process. Like I said previously, it's pretty straightforward. So the first thing to do, and I've already mentioned it a few times, is schedule a call with your admission advisor. Your admissions advisor is going to review program eligibility requirements and financial options to find the right program, the right fit for you. And then the third is enroll in the program that best supports your goals. Your admissions advisor is going to give you the steps for this, but it is very straightforward and we'll get you started. but just please make sure you go over what are your goals? What do you want to do? Talk with your admissions advisor and make sure you let them know what you're trying to accomplish so they can help you find the best option for you. Now, please note that this process does not require any type of essay or application or standardized testing. These programs, like I mentioned before, they are entry level. They're built for people with zero experience in these areas. You do need some basic computer literacy. So if you can use your computer, that's a really good start to know that these programs could be a good fit for you. So outside of just learning, I say just learning, learning is actually a huge step in this, right? The program, the course, the boot camp is a huge step here. But that alone doesn't get you a job, right? There's a career services part, there's a job search part to finding a job. And we've built a lot of that into our programs. And it doesn't even start just at the end of the program. A lot of it starts throughout your program so that you're already getting ready to find a job. Now, one thing that we do like to say is we don't guarantee anyone a job, right? This is something where you have to work. You have to work to learn in the program, and you have to work to do the job search. But what we do provide is all of the resources and the guidance that's necessary to find a job in this industry. And I can say the students who put all of their effort in to learning and to doing well in the program, and then follow their career service counselor's guidance, they're the students who tend to be successful and find a job and email me 5 years later saying, I'm so glad that I went through this boot camp. Thank you for everything that you did. So if you follow the program and the prescribed steps, it very much is a numbers game, and those jobs are available. So please, if you're considering signing up for one of these boot camps, make the promise to yourself that you're going to give it everything, that you're going to learn. And then once you've learned, you're not going to stop there. You're going to put in the effort through the job search with the guidance of your career services counselor, and then you will be successful. So some things that are available to our students while you're a student is a community. So you're going to be able to network, collaborate. You've got a lot of peers, career coaches, instructors, a lot of people that you can network with and grow in that community. Career Services puts on multiple events. You're going to have access to job fairs and other types of networking events, online, resume events. And then you're going to have a resource library or access to a resource library. There's guides, articles, videos, and a lot of resources that are valuable at helping you both learn content, find additional projects, and what to do in the job search and how to progress from one step to the next. Now, after you've completed the program and you're a job seeker, there's even more tools you're going to have access to. So Career Services is going to help you with LinkedIn, resume, make sure that it's up to par and that you're able to stand out among your competition. We've got AI interview prep, career coach, and LinkedIn analyzer that you're going to be able to use, again, to help get a step above the competition and really stand out. And then instead of tracking all of your job opportunities in a spreadsheet or a Word document or something like that, we've got tooling to help you track and contact those opportunities. So it's going to be very helpful. And that's how you're going to get into, like I said, kind of a numbers game, tracking the opportunities and seeing where you move through in the process and getting to that job offer. So once you finish the training with us in the career services, what's next and where does QuickStart fit? So we've got a lot of training, especially the training that we talked about today in the boot camps, that are built for entry level. So to help people transition or to upskill in kind of that entry level role and break into a technology career, a cybersecurity career, software development, somewhere in technology. But we don't stop there. We also have a lot of other materials and courses that can help you continue to upskill throughout your career. And we've helped many students enter their career and then progress even further on their career from mid-level to senior level. And so please know that that's available to you as you continue out throughout your career.